First, open any browser like Google Chrome and search for PostgreSQL. Click on the official website postgresql.org, which should appear at the top of the search results. Once you are on the site, click the download button at the top. Next, choose your operating system. Since I am using Windows, I clicked on Windows. Then click on download the installer link. For this tutorial, I am downloading the latest version PostgreSQL 17.5 for Windows. The .exe file will start downloading automatically. I have included the direct download link in the description below for your convenience. When the download is complete, open the .exe file to start the installation. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the entire installation process so you can follow along without any confusion. By the end, you will have PostgreSQL and pgAdmin 4 fully set up and ready to use on your system.